Mother, what I saw in that dream was so scary and at the same time too real. Mother, Obaka shot us.
My daughter, don't worry. I just hope that your dream does not come true.
Amen.
But don't worry. The king has sent for Let's see, when he comes, if you will have the opportunity to talk to your father.
Mother, at this point, we do not have to wait for him to speak to father or not. We just have to find him ourselves. We need to see him. What I saw in that dream is unimaginable. Oh, please. Oh my God, it's okay. Would you people later talk to me? Yes, your father's pick the call. You know what you want. Okay. Hi. You're coming to see me? Oh, wow. I'll be waiting then. Thank you. Bye. What you said she's coming to see me?
That's very nice, but something serious, please. You have to go downstairs and secure the key from Obaka before Sabinus starts his madness again. Please, Mother, go on time.
Unfortunately, you really do not know who your daughter is. Today, somebody will die. And it's not me that will die. It's between Obaka and Sabinus. One of them will go down. Because I won't let them spoil my relationship. Yes, let them try me today. Somebody will be dead and buried today.
Nobody is dying, no, please. Have you forgotten? Have you forgotten that your father will die if Sabinus leaves? Please. I don't want to lose my husband, though.
That boy is in you people's head. He's not in my head. I'm not believing anything he's saying. Nobody is dying. And I will not lose my relationship because of anybody. Father will not die and I won't lose my relationship. Instead, it's these two mad people that will leave this palace today. Mother, please. Let me be making my way.
You're the king.
I'm making my way now.
What did I go call this one now? Carry guard uniform. Give to mad people now. Papa, Magidia.
I like you.
Stop that for I go start. No. This bad girl. Oh, no, Choka. Canta yo tole. What? Canta yo tole. Will you go back to go back.
Obaka. What is going on here? Huh? Why have they not come to open this gate for me? Ikwe is the one that summoned me to come to the palace. So why are they still keeping me out? Obaka, why? What would they call this one? Obaka! You know what? Igwe asked me to come. Hey.
see madness? Yes. I will kill you. Hey, hey, give me that key. Give me that key now. I will kill you. I will slaughter you. The key for your life. Hey, back out. Will you wait for your life? Bring the key now. When I catch you. Catch you. The key for your life. Back, hand over the key. What is your problem? Hand over.
Never that possible. Huh? Walking no outside the gate. Huh? What is this? Please Obiora. I've been standing here, knocking, and no one seems to open the gate for me. I'm hearing some loud voices. I don't know if they are fighting or.
Ubaka! Ubaka!
I will kill you and bury you. Give me that key.
Who is at the gate?
Sir, my man is at the gate. Tell him to give me the key right now.
Your man is at the gate.
Yes.
So you are proud that you are dating an idiot. Is that what you're supposed to be doing?
No, wait. Excuse you. Who are you? No, who are you to question me?
Did he tell us he will be visiting today?
As who? No, as my father. Or what? Listen, before you fake pastor came into the picture, he's been visiting this palace. Okay?
It's a spiritual thing. There is evil around his head.
Sabinus! Can you please give Ubaka the key to open the gate for our guests?
You should be ashamed of yourself.
Meaning?
Your daughter is dating, which is illegal. You should be cautioning her, not encouraging her stupidity. Yes. She's supposed to be dating openly.
Sabinus, you have to know your place in this palace.
Ikenga, you can see what is going on, right? You can see what is going on. Eh? This prophet has been causing problem in this palace. Eh, Onowu? What is all this? What is happening?
I wish I didn't come with you. I will not even hear all this drama happening. I will feel you're lying to me.
I can't even believe this. If somebody else had told me what I'm seeing here now. Eh?
Onowu, you can't believe what? Onowu. You can't believe, Onowu, you brought this prophet to this palace. Even when Princess Ugo kicked against it, but no, you did not listen to anyone. You brought this problem to this palace, Onowu.
My son, please don't blame me. I didn't know all these things will happen now.
Are you taking over power in this palace?
No, I'm doing my job as a speaker.
Oh, you are now standing in gap as my father or what? No, I need to know.
No. There is something evil about that young man. For that reason, he will never step his foot into this palace. I, Sabinus, Obatobedinauma, have spoken.
What have you been spirit? No, what foolish fake spirit? Listen, give me that key now, or I break down this authority in this palace. I will tear down this palace right now. Give me that key right now. Give me that key! Enough of your rubbish! Oh my God! Mother! Can you imagine this man? Enough of this rubbish! Oh. Hey! Everybody will die then! I will kill everybody! Go and get that key. Bastard, what is that? Go and meet you. I will kill you.
I'm only trying to save Igwe's life.
You are trying to save Igwe's life. Now it's affecting you. The same problem you brought to this palace is affecting you. Now you can't even gain access to the palace.
Oh no, we have to do something about this. Just look at what's happening. This drama is too much now.
Keka, please. We don't have time. We need to leave here.
Please. Oh no, we'll do something about this, please.
I single-handedly brought you to this palace. Eh? And I will still take you out. Oh, Mua, I will take you out. I will take you out. Akwamu.
Leaving this palace. Go there. No.
What are you doing?
I am tired of all the nonsense going on in this palace. Yes, I am moving to Obiara's house where I can have peace of mind because my mental health is at stake. I'm losing it. I'm losing it already.
You are moving to a man's house and leaving your mother behind?
Mother, it doesn't matter right now. You, I don't know, brought this madman called Sabinus into this palace. So I'm leaving the both of you to deal with the mess you brought in here. When you clear it, when you're done clearing it, I will come back. But for now, my mental health matters.
Leaving the palace will not solve this issue now. Why don't you stay back and let us sort it out? Okay. I know I've made a mistake by bringing Sabinus into this palace. But don't forget one thing, that Sabinus is the reason that your father is still alive today.
I don't care. I could care less right now. I am saying that I'm depressed, frustrated, losing it mentally. What else do you want? I'm dying slowly. Until I die?
You're not dying.
Is that it?
You're not dying, my daughter.
I need to leave.
Please.
Excuse me.
My princess.
Mother, please, I don't want to push you.
My princess.
Can you just leave my way?
My princess.
Do not block me.
My love, please.
Oh no.
She's your mother. Oh.
Can you leave my way, please?
Oh, why not go away, no be a job. People like me now. People are weekend.
Sabinus
The battle is getting tougher. The battle is getting tougher.
Oh, Onyamuma, Sabinus. But on this another them na palace in the name of is a subject. Man. Bring it now. Where you go? You can go. Thank you. I say go now. What are you still doing here?
I love you.
Love what?
I love you.
Address. I carry. You love what? Will you get out from here, my friend? Press back. Do what? Will you get out of this place? See me sit up. Will you? Why are young man? Yeah. Will you? I'll push you. I said I will push you. Leave here. Oh, prophet.
Princess, stop! Princess.
Where are you going to?
Father, very simple. I'm going to a place where I can find peace of mind and also have the time to protect my relationship with my man Obiora. I am sick and tired of staying in this mad palace.
You talk to her. Let her take her bag upstairs.
Take this bag upstairs.
Father, what is it? Leave my bag alone. I am not going. I'm sorry. I'm not going. I cannot stay in the same palace with bad people.
Hey, I can't see you. Okay, I'm going to take this in back to. Take it.
Can I tell you something? Mad people stay at the psychiatric hospital. That is where they belong. Not in the palace with normal human. I can't be sharing the same house with mad people. No!
Your Majesty! Hey! Your Majesty! Wait!
Father,
Your Majesty!
somebody help!
Hey!
Oh my God. Father, I'm here. I'm not going anywhere again. Please.
Hey!
Wake up.
Hey! What is going on?
Somebody help!
What is going on?
Somebody help!
Rescue. The battle is getting tougher. The battle is getting tougher.
Obaka, I want to understand something.
What can be that?
These mad people. on guard uniform. Is this how they're going to work?
I will not concern you.
Just your voice.
I got my eyes on the target. My own for this place now. Not to open gates and close them.
Please, where is Sabinus? Where is Sabinus? There is, go and look for Sabinus. Go and look for him. Where is Sabinus? Hey! Where is he? Hey! Where is he? Where is Sabinus?
Sabinus, please come ahead, my father. He has passed away there, please. Please, he can tell you. Sabinus, please come. Leave my brother and again, please. Sabinus, please. Please come and help us. Please. I'm not from this side. Sabinus. Hey. Sabinus. Hey. Omega. Oh, please help us, please.
Hello, Ikemba. We are 6 cabinet members representing these 6 quarters of this kingdom. Where are others? And why are they not here?
Ikemba, I don't know what to say because Onwuka here told me that he passed the information to every one of them. So I don't know why they are not here.
Onwuka.
Did you not hear what Onu said now? Or will I go to the house and start him to the meeting?
We are not quarreling.
Ugo, there is problem.
Mother, what?
There is trouble.
What is it again?
Hey, God. Sabinus said his services in this palace is no longer needed. That we should call the doctor.
Oh my God. Mother, please, let's go and beg him, please.
We don't need to beg him. He said there is a condition. If we have to say that, we must meet the condition.
Yes, now we can pay him any amount he wants. Is it not father's life that is at stake? Whatever, you should just name his price, Mother. What did he say his price is?
You don't understand. You don't understand. You don't understand. You don't know the demand he's making. He said if we have to stay in this palace, that we have to marry him. You see what I'm talking about? You see? I don't know what to do anymore. What is going on?
I true say Sabinus won't go. Those mad people, they wait for him for gates.
Wait. That means Igwe will die.
That be my problem now. That be my problem now. Eh? I know what makes Sabinus go. Because I know say if he come out, so something fi happen to Igwe. Eh? Come to think of it. Which kind juju Sabinus they use? Eh? How wanna if him there for the palace, nothing go happen to Igwe. But if him go, Igwe go come die. No be juju, be that.
You know one problem here. You gotta use your The thing will just long. I will just make it short.
Pam Magidia, Now you go tell me how to talk. As I did to talk now. You know, shut for your ear.
Oh, not true. This is what you talk now. Not really true. I don't even understand. I mean, hey.
Yeah,
This one pass me.
I suggest make we go beg Sabinus. Make nothing happen to my Igwe. Oh.
You say?
Make we go beg him now. Make him stay.
Huh? You say waiting.
We go beg him
you
now.
You and who? Me and you. You dey craze. Bomb there your head. You dey mad. See that list there? Come out my name from that list. It will not work. Go back to your duty post.
Me, my own be say, make nothing happen to my Igwe. That be my concern.
You are your concern. I beg. I do so many things.
You go dey talk something where they important. You go dey use and dey play. For this nonsense where you talk, Mahaba to God, where make me and you, I don't mark your face to God. I don't mark your face. Again. Taka sada sikupendi. Everybody wait there for the palace.
Enemies everywhere, unfriendly friends everywhere. You're a snake in the green grass, looking for whom to bite. Whoa, whoa. I need my console.
Name. Do not allow your father to die. Pico. Save his life.
Mother, please, what do you want from me? Say it, name it. What is it?
Your father's life is at stake. Pico, no. Save him.
Mother, I need you to do one thing for me.
Anything.
I need you to go ask Sabinus, that con man, what exactly he did to my father.
How? What do you mean? The same Sabinus that has been the one saving your father's life?
You believe so? That man is on a mission in this palace. Remember the dream I had earlier, right? Go to him. Ask him exactly what his mission in this palace is. He's a con man.
Don't worry, we'll sort all that out later. Please, your father's life is at stake. Just marry him. Accept to marry him first. Then we'll sort all that out. Pico, for the sake of your father.
Hey God. Like, this is the worst nightmare of my life. This can't be happening to me. Like, mother, you were standing here, looking straight into my eyes, asking me, princess, to go down to the pits, just to make you happy. I would never marry that man. I need not to tell you that. And listen, if anything should happen to my father, if anything at all should happen to my father, I would hold him responsible.
Please, my daughter. You don't even need to love him. Just accept to marry him. Let him hear your father first. From there, only Biko, I beg you, for your father's sake, for my own sake, Biko, my angel, Biko, hey, Ugom.
God, I beg you. Okay.
Finally, Igwe don't buy.
No, this one hard. Hey! What's Sabinus still doing there? He should pray. He should pray hard so that Igwe will get himself.
Why you can't talk like say you want Igwe to leave? She been the time where I've been telling you to talk to Sabinus. What in you talk?
See then, I not just get your time. Not just carry your own now, join my own, I beg. Let him be your own now. Let him work you. Pump there your head. What's your problem? Just tell me, what's your problem? See, no add your own to the one why they were where they already invest me now. I beg. I have been on my own. You just came to meet me. Just go to your duty post.
No. You go tell me where to stay. This place no be your papa's house.
You don't know. Now my papa has be this. Igwe. Now my papa. He's my father. If you don't know him today.
Look at this one. Look at this one.
Nonsense. No the shame. See you. See us today. No the shame. You just say I did that color mental way you carry enter house daddy.
Behave yourself now.
Baby,
I know they're in that good mood now.
Keep quiet. Keep quiet. And they talk to you. If fine girl like this, they talk to you. You shut up small. No, they baby anyhow.
Look at this shapeless wherever. They go herself fine girl. I don't know they for that mood now. Just cool yourself before I go stampede you for here. Maggie dear. Let's talk about Igwe condition. You dey here, they lose guard.
Just pray. Pray make she not take him from you. Now the only thing we will pray for. How they dare. My prayer beg come out and go to the post. Go to the post.
Ugambia. Thunder fire.
You don't
fire you dear.
Fire you 100 times.
Boy, your mother dear.
Anokuya. Obaka. Security. I've been working. Obaka. Ha. Obaka. Security. Ha. Okay, I've been knocking here for a while now. Obaka. Hello? Please, I've been at the gate knocking. Ask the security to open the gate for me, please. I want to come inside. No, ask him to come. Okay, then you come, let us see. What do you mean that you cannot come? No, listen. Wait, this is not the agreement I reached with you. No, come outside, let us talk. I want to see you now. Hello? Yeah. Obayum, come. Security. You must come outside. If you don't come outside you must come outside this minute. Security. Ubaka. Hey. He switched off his phone. Oh yeah, but your phone. Yeah, Ubaka. Hey.
Hello. I came to ask you whether you have gone to the palace of recent. I don't understand what is happening at the palace.
Ikemba, I was there yesterday. And I was also denied access into the palace. I don't even know if the Igwe is still alive.
Does that mean we are now forbidden at the palace?
That is the reason I summoned for the meeting that the other elders did not attend. So that we know the way forward. We know what to do.
Oh no, not to think it is time for we to mobilize our people to the palace. Sabinus, or whatever is called himself, will leave that palace by fire and thunder. I don't trust Ichie or Woga. There's something he's not telling us. It's like he has a skeleton in his cupboard.
Why did you say so?
One of us told me that Ichie or Woga did not pass any message
Are you serious?
to anybody.
This Omoka. But he told me he passed the message to everyone.
He did not, he did not.
Come to my rescue. Come to my rescue. Battle is getting tougher. The battle is getting tougher.
be this one now. Who carry machete? Even people where they mad. Men and they got palace. They no say no na bu o junkiti si. Ota onye nwe ya. Tene nke ade ke kuke. Kwasia. Kwasia.
What is it? What's the meaning of this? My friend, get out of my way.
No, Doris. Person where they mad. Where carry machete. You dey blow grammar for. When you go say it, no ask me where your head is there. Oh, man, no dey.
Come to my rescue. Battle is getting tougher. The battle is getting Come to my rescue. The battle is getting tougher. The battle is getting tougher. The battle is getting tougher.
Now what is it? Are you okay? Talk to me. What is it?
Sabinus has taken over. As we speak, he's wearing your father's crown.
That's some bad joke. You're joking, right?
It's not a joke, my daughter. He took over because you refused to marry him. I don't know when all this is going to end. It is all this. From one problem to another. How did we get here? Hey.
Hello. Igwe is incapacitated. He can no more rule this kingdom. And we cannot allow a stranger come and take over our land. Where is he done? My suggestion is that Igwe should step down.
Is that your final solution? That our Igwe should step down? Ewa? What if our Igwe is no longer alive?
Then you do the rightful thing.
And that is
crown me the Igwe. I'm the next Igwe. Yes.
Is this thing coming from your mouth or somebody else is speaking through you? That the throne belongs to you? Then go and take it.
No. I did not say anything wrong. You and I know that we have to chase that Sabinus out of the palace and crown the rightful owner. That should be me.
Now let me ask you, how is the throne yours? Can you tell me?
You know, Igwe Ezediora is my cousin. And in the event of his death, I becomes the king automatically.
Then go and take over. Now why are you disturbing me? So that you will give account of all of this that is happening. No.
If we are talking about who we give account, it is you. Let me tell you, if anything happens to the administration of this land, we will hold you responsible. You know? Were you not the one that brought that Sabinus to the palace? And now the same Sabinus you brought is not even allowing you to enter inside the palace. Okay?
See, I did all I did to save our Igwe. In fact, I'm totally disappointed in you, Onwoka. I never believed that all this abominable thing will be coming out from your mouth. I am not a selfish
You
man.
are a
like
selfish man.
How?
You did what you did to save the Igwe. Now, did you save him? Did you, one man, did you save him? I don't know.
I don't even know why I'm here talking with you. I'm not responsible.
No.
I'm
not responsible. You hear me?
I'm
not responsible. You will give account to our people what Sabinus is doing in the palace in Apu. Oh no, in Apu. Come back and sit down with me so that we will sort ourselves. They go do. Oh no, come back and talk to me. Come back now. He's going out. Come and give the throne to me. Oh. Come and give the throne to me if you know what is good for you. No, I'm waiting for you here. You will come outside.
Oh God, Yara is not picking my call. I just want to tell him situation of things to see if he could talk to his father to help us out.
Why don't you send him a message? Maybe WhatsApp or SMS?
Mother, I just want to talk to him. I want to hear his voice. I don't know why he's doing this to me.
It's okay, just calm down. Keep calling him so that you will realize that you really want to talk to him. My worry now is your father. We don't know how he's doing. Sabinus has refused us access to where he kept him.
Hey, he's not picking, mother. Maybe you should call him with your own phone. He might pick yours out of respect, you know.
Okay, send his number to my phone.
Oh, right now. Write it on your WhatsApp, Mama.
You think I'm fed up of everything? I am really fed up. There is problem in that kingdom.
Is everything okay in that kingdom? Or has her father passed on?
She didn't say so. The problem is that fake prophet. He has taken over that kingdom. There is no peace again since he arrived.
But how is that possible? A young man, just one man, take over a whole kingdom. No, now it's not possible.
Ikenga, as we speak, she has not heard from her father since. She doesn't even know the condition of his health.
This is serious. I feel we should help that kingdom. I feel you should come in. You should assist them. Get involved. They invest too much for you to handle. Then involve your dad. Let him know about what's going on in that kingdom.
Ikenga, they have elders. They have to do something about that, not me or my father.
This is crazy. This is really crazy. Just a man. Hijack a whole kingdom.
I'm really worried. I'm so worried about this whole issue.
But you just have to help them. You have to come in. Let's do something. You can't just let them slide like this. You have to help him. Your woman is there and you know that.
I'll keep trying my best and let's hope that we'll find a lasting solution to all these problems.
From now onwards, I want you all to be addressing me as His Royal Majesty. As you all know, the king is no longer fit, so I have taken over. Baka. Sir, Oga Sabinus, sir. Go down. Sir. Sir, I did not do anything, no. What did I say you should address me as? Sir. I don't forget, sir. Make you know best, sir. Lie down. Now, what's my name? Your Royal Majesty, sir. Again? Your Royal Majesty, sir. Again? Your Royal Majesty, sir. What's my name? Majesty, Royal, sir. You remain here. Sir.
Yes, Your Royal Majesty.
My buttocks, my buttocks.
Sorry, sir. What happened now?
Each of them flogged me. Did you mark the face?
What's the matter?
Did you mark the face?
Lie down.
Lie down.
Oh, Sabinus! Sabinus, Hannah! Oh, you're killing me! Oh, Sabinus! Oh, big it! Oh, Sabinus! Oh, Sabinus! Oh, Sabinus! Oh, What is it? That's Doris' voice.
What are they doing in my matrimonial bed?
Bring down your voice.
What is Doris doing with Sabinus in my matrimonial bed?
Mother, this is the height of insults.
No, Doris is leaving this house today. Can you imagine?
No. You see?
You're welcome, my children.
Thank you, Onowu. Onowu, according to the message she sent to me, it is evident that Sabinus has taken over the throne of that kingdom.
Sabinus has done what?
Onowu, why are you acting as if you don't know what is going on?
But I don't know anything. Nobody told me. I have not been to that palace for a very long time now. Sabinus stopped everybody from coming to that palace. So I have not been there. I don't know anything. My hands are clean.
Onowu, this is really serious. Onowu, what do we do now? We need to act fast as soon as possible.
Yes, I will summon an emergency meeting of the elders in my house here. We have to do something. That Sabinus of a man must leave that palace.
Yes, I fully support this. Because delay is dangerous. And we don't even know if the king is alive or dead.
May the gods of the land forbid such. Our king is alive.
Aside summoning the elders, you need to also tell the youth of this land. They should know about it.
Good. Not just the youth. We need to involve the police in this case. Because this is a serious case.
I've heard what you said. Wait. Hello?
What?
Okay. Sabinus just summoned me to the palace.
What?
The same Sabinus we are talking
How did he
How
even
did he
get my
get your
number?
number? Exactly. How did he get your number?
Doris, I want you. I want you to be careful, but you will not hear. I want you. If I'm like that, I'm a prophet. I don't want you. I don't want you.
You are leaving this house today. Now, move your things.
He forced me.
Forced you?
I think
He forced you.
he forced me.
You are leaving this palace. Pick your things and
He's
leave.
not forcing you. Can you open your legs for him?
Listen to me. Hey, Baka,
He's lying.
I need you to make sure you throw this dirty harlot to the gutter where she belongs.
That will not be possible, oh. That will not be possible.
Why?
Before we can throw her out of this palace, we need to take permission from Igwe Sabinus.
I will just kill you now. Who are you calling Igwe? That idiot.
This Igwe Sabinus, you are calling an idiot. Oh. My hand is not there. Make everybody chuckle themselves. So my hand is not there. Oh.
You know now.
He did not force you.
What is going on here?
My queen asked me to leave.
No one has the right to ask you to leave except me.
What? Are you kidding me? Hey, I need you to throw this dirty thing out right now.
My hand is not there. Oh.
Do you want to challenge me?
Sabinus, are you this evil? To the extent of taking my cook to my matrimonial bed? That's an abomination.
I am Sabinus. It used to be a matrimonial bed, not anymore. Hey,
I said go in.
Yes, your Majesty.
Who made it?
Leave the bag. Let me carry it. Your Majesty has spoken. Your Majesty. Don't talk when your Majesty is talking.
People like me know. People are wicked. Come to our rescue. The battle is getting tougher.
Who's at the gate?
No, whoa.
Fetch him and bring back the keys.
Yes, your Majesty.
Gods of our land, come to our rescue. The battle is getting tougher.
So it's true.
Huh? Talk with respect to Makola.
Is that a greeting or a compliment?
What have you done?
Address me as your majesty.
What? Over my dead body. Will I address you as my king?
Making that happen won't be a problem. Your dead body is not a big deal. But I won't. Oh no, do not start what you cannot finish. Now follow me inside, we need to talk.
I will not follow you. I don't have anything to talk with you. Where's my king?
Watch the way you talk to me, else you will incur the wrath of the spirits.
Where is my king?
I said follow me inside. We have something important to talk about.
Hell, oh no, thank God you are here. Thank God you are here, oh no. He has taken the king away. I don't know where he took the king to. And he took over the Igwe's chamber.
Oh no, please, I need you to go out there and announce to the good people of this kingdom that this criminal fake prophet you brought to us has hijacked the throne of this land. He hid my father the king and now parades himself as the king.
It's a spiritual thing. Oh no, follow me inside, we need to talk.
I have anything to talk with you.
Really?
Yes.
Guards! Seize him and throw him into the royal prison.
What?
What?
Oh no!
What?
Don't touch me! Oh no! Don't touch me! Oh no! Hey! Hey! What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you people are gone mad at the end of the thing? You're sorry at things. We got them with you. You must pay for all your records. You see all of you? All of you! My God will perish! All of you! All you bad people! You will die and be buried. This kingdom will swallow all of you. Honor who?
Enemies everywhere.
Nation! Go away!
Unfriendly
No!
friends everywhere.
Go away! Hey!
Green snake in the green grass.
Doris, thunder fire you. You know say you no get shame. Taka sana se kupendi. You know say you no get shame at all. To God, you know just get shame at all. After everything, where I warn you. After everything, where me warn you. You still go sleep with Sabinus. Shawo kobo. Thunder fire you.
What they do you? Your mama. They Chris, your mama. What is it? Let me be now.
You know say you na very wicked person you be. You be evil girl. You carry yourself. Enter Igwe along. Matrimonial bed.
Go spread your legs. Gaga jaye ipu. Jaye ipu for Sabinus. No be that one pay me pass. The one where pay me pass be say Sabinus they do am. Go on and Sonia the thing. The scream where you the scream. Sabinus kill me. Sabinus sube mia. Chichibe mia. I dare forget. They hear all your screaming and all your moaning. You'll be shower. Now what will you be?
What's your problem now? Eh? I have told you that you forced me. No one seems to believe me.
How we gonna believe you?
The Chris.
When you enjoyed it. How we gonna believe you?
So for your mind now.
You know say why this thing they break my heart be say I don't take my time beg you. Explain to you how much I love you. I don't tell you before, say if I look into your eyes, I see all the colors of the rainbow. Now you can't leave me. Go the shine. Go with Sabinus. You carry this go give Sabinus, make him the shine out for you. Eh? Instead of you to allow me. Kaka na to man na the engine. Na oil the engine. You carry and go they give Sabinus alone.
No what? They're mad. Something they do you. And for the insult, thank you.
What in that one can be? Eh? Na to go fire you. Papa Magidia. For this nonsense where you talk.
See this one.
How about to God? Where make me are you? I don't mark your face.
I don't mark your face too.
I don't mark your face.
So you look me finish now. I go come carry my precious body, carry give you. So you pay you say I give Sabinus. See, I will choose Sabinus 100 times. In fact, 100 times over you. You know if you try him.
This nonsense where you talk, eh? Mama to God. Where make me and you? I don't mark your face.
I don't mark your face.
I don't mark your face, idiot. I don't mark your face. Give me Ibu.
Give me what? The reason like person will go finish. You won't come knock me. So what happen?
Give me.
I resemble that mad guy with the knack. You not go fit knock me. You not go fit enter my Jerusalem. It's too expensive for you to enter. Doris, you not go fit try it. This is royal Ibu. Is that easy? If na Sabinus, I go give my man. He gonna do am every day, but you don't get level.
Wait, all the bad things where I don't do you for this palace. I beg you, forgive me.
Forgive you.
Forgive
See,
me.
me forgive you.
I no go do am again.
I no go
just
allow you.
Like I land. Just forgive me. I could even give you my salary. Everything what you want for this life, I will do for you. Just let me. Even if I no go do the whole thing. Make I put just the cap.
The Chris.
Only the cap.
Say they pay you. Royal people they pay you.
Okay.
It's very easy to enter royal bed.
Okay. I no go put the cap. Make I just scratch it.
You no go fit.
Just scratch the surface.
You no go fit oh. You no go fit. Now royal people only Sabinus get am. See, my level don't high you. You still there for get man. You know the money.
No, just scratch the surface. Fire you there! I don't think what? Give me a now. Make me and you. I don't mark your face. I don't mark your face.
You can never. This is royal people. I don't become royal blood. Royal blood.
For fire you there.
Maggie, you don't use to enter royal bed. Idiot. See as it be.
Walk fast, also. They're here. Sit down.
Oh no, why are you being unnecessarily stubborn? The only way you can get out of this mess is loyalty. Be loyal so that you understand where I'm coming from. Am I communicating?
This land will surely pay you for all you have done. The gods of this land will surely deal with you.
No. The gods will do nothing because I'm fighting a just fight. Let me refresh your memory. You and Ichio Onwuka testified wrongly against a woman in this palace 30 years ago. The Igwe got her pregnant, but because he doesn't want a dent on his image, you and Ichio Onwuka lied, and that woman was banished from this kingdom. The Igwe asked the guards to kill her and throw her body into the evil forest. But to God be the glory, those guards saved her life. That woman is my mother, and I am the result of that pregnancy. You and Ichio Onwuka later plotted my father's death. You assassinated my father, the real king, and made your friend the king out of jealousy. Now you see, I am here on a mission to revenge. To pay you back in your own coin, including everybody around this palace, for what you people did to my mom and my dad. Now you know where I'm coming from. I will give you time to ponder over it. Yes, Your Honor.
Stand up! Why did you move?
Open this gate! Open this gate and tell me where my father is! If you don't open this gate, I'm going to put this gate down! Open this gate!
No, the message on this gate now. Who goes you now?
Open this gate and tell me where my father is!
Obaka.
Sir.
Long way you live, your highness. That madman.
Open this gate and tell me where my father is!
What the make noise?
Where is my father? Sabinus, where is my father? Enough of your evil in this land. Where is my father? Where is my father, Sabinus?
Must you raise your voice? You can talk to human beings like that, not a spirit like me.
Sabinus, enough of your evil in this land. Where is my father?
No, son.
Yes, I am Onowu's son.
Want to know where your father is?
Yes, tell me, where is my father?
Fine and good. We're gonna carry and go where and Papa there. Tie both of them together, mend them small, and keep them there.
What do you mean tie both of them together? I am here to take my father. Where is my father? Where is my father? I'm here. I'm here for my father. Leave me quiet. I'm here for my father. Where is my father? I'm here for my father. I'm here for my father. Where is my father? Where is my father? Where is my father? Where is my father? Yes, where is my father? Where is my father?
Sabinus, I don't understand what is going on. Give the throne back to me. You have completed the assignment I paid you to do for me.
I will do no such thing, Chionwuka, because the throne is mine.
What are you saying? How can the throne be yours when you are not even from this land? I knew about you before I hired you.
You knew nothing about me, Chionwuka. I'm warning you, mind your business. I'm the rightful heir to the throne of this kingdom.
How can you be the rightful heir to the throne of Urago Kingdom? Listen, let me warn you. I'm giving you 7 days. 7 days to evacuate from that throne. Else!
This simply means you don't know me well. Because if you know me well, you will know that they don't threaten people like me. And if you dare me, you will die. Don't forget, I'm a spirit.
Sabinus. Sabinus. Why would he say that?
Papa, this guy must pay for this. You see this guy, he must pay for this. Let me just get out of here first.
My son, now I understand why he is doing all this. Now I understand.
Papa, he has no right. He don't even have any right to treat an indigent of this kingdom like this. Number one, he's a total stranger. He's not even from this kingdom. Look at the way he tied me and my father, all in the name of a prophet.
My son, he is not a stranger. He belongs to this palace.
Papa, what are you saying? How do you mean he belongs to this palace? I know the history of that boy from day one. I know when he came into this community and rented an apartment. I know when he was using the apartment to heal mad people. So I know everything about him.
He is not a stranger. He's a son of the soil. In fact, he's the son of our late Igwe Orazurume.
Papa, I'm surprised you are the one saying this. You were actually the one that told me that our late king, Igwe Orazurume, died without having any issue. And that was why the kingship was transferred to the family of Ezie.
Yes, I did, my son.
So what are you saying?
But up till now, no one knows that his pregnant wife survived after she was banished from this kingdom and was supposed to be killed and thrown into an evil forest because of the abomination she committed.
Papa, let me tell you, you people should not believe whatever that guy is telling you people. That Sabinus is a total stranger. As for me, he's a total stranger. And he will pay for this.
My son, after all he said to me, I saw the resemblance of our late Igwe Orazurume.
Papa, I don't care how what you believe about him. All I know is that Sabinus, he must pay for this.
Dede, I'm your father here. I'm your father.
Papa, you are the Onowu of this kingdom. And this boy tied you and your son like this in the palace. A total stranger. No. Megwe.
Boys, Your Highness, it's time to stop pretending. It's time to show your true colors. Make them know say nobody they really mad for here. You don't understand? So we don't arrive, nothing feels up again.
Wow.
Meanwhile, I won't make una fall in town. Ransack everywhere. Get one elder. Where they call it Chionwuka. Chionwuka. No una bundle and come here. Make una clamp am whichever way, anywhere way in there, clamp am, carry and come here. You don't understand?
Sharp.
It's done.
Confirm.
If we want say you don't pronounce, leave the rest for us.
It is done.
Everywhere I go. Let's go.
I go call this one now. Eh? Why? Una call they stop my sleep. Which kind of nonsense with this one?
I can't open this gate. When they make you open gate for us.
Look at this one. Come monkey there.
Okay, no, they waste our time now. Come open this gate.
Open which gate? If I open this gate for you, come back here. If I open the gate for you, come on.
Nah. Look at they delay us now. Eh?
Look at this mama.
Open this gate,
My voice, my voice. This nonsense. What they do for here, mama? To God, where make me and you. I don't mark your face to God. See this girl. When the phone for me, say, when I get sense. See, bad people, Lord. See, this mama bad people, Lord.
Let today be the last day. Where you go call us madman? You the grace? She shine the army. You the grace?
I don't go open.
Make your mind do. Make your mind do.
Mama, I'm not on day.
Anyhow you want them, Sabinus today. If in a physical, Sabinus today, he will always tell you, listen to me, for you to live. I'm your prophet. Sabinus is in charge of our palace, Urago kingdom. I'm going. Prophet Sabinus is in charge now of our palace, Urago kingdom. I'm going. Anything he want, he do. Sabi of our palace, Sabi Urago kingdom. Judge Urago kingdom. Fusiganya nanka Sabio. Prophet Sabinus, take it easy. This man now.
You see, those boys. they are not mad.
They are not mad at all.
I'm not surprised at all. See, I have been observing those three. Kolo, Ukota, and Rutika. I saw them sneaking out one night. Yes, I saw them sneaking out.
You mean Where I come there.
You were sabi sleep. You were there sleep like waiting I don't know. This thing I'm telling you now happened at about 2 a.m. 2 a.m. midnight. Those three, they are criminals. And Sabinus is using them.
No, the fear to talk about him. I know the fear him. Sabinus. See, he don't think where I don't they suspect Sabinus. To God, Sabinus is not a real prophet. I know they fear anybody.
Okay, me I they fear. They go, so that we'll go back to what I was doing in the kitchen. Go to your duty post.
You see, Sabinus, to God, where make me and you, I don't mark him face. If he lose guard for this palace, I go start.
You go put me for trouble.
stampede him to God.
Go.
Yeah, I go stampede down.
Waka well now. It's already they bounce like this.
Before we proceed, Igwe, I would like you to see this picture.
Where did you get this picture from?
Ono is in a better position to answer that question.
Oh no. What is he talking about?
Igwe. He is late Orazumba's son. Sabinus, I have no hand in what happened to your father and your mother's banishment from the land. Yes. Ichionwoka here learned everything. It was some years after Igwe Ezabata's coronation, I discovered that the allegation of adultery on your mother was a frame-up. I confronted him.
Hello. Hello, I'm good. Hello, Miko. Go. Okay.
How could you? You deceived everybody and lied against an innocent pregnant woman. Or the man.
Anyanwu, why are you bringing this issue up now? It's been long forgotten and thrown away. Again,
but why did you do it? Why?
I have my eyes on the throne. You know, after Igwe Ezabata, it is the turn of my family to produce the new Igwe. So, I have my eyes on the throne and I need your support. You know, when Igwe Ezabata dies, just like Igwe Orazulume, when he dies, I will ascend the throne of Urago Kingdom and I will still make you my own no.
Awoka, don't tell me you had hand in Igwe Orazulume's assassination.
Look, I have my eyes on the throne and I can do anything to get the throne.
I am going straight to Igwe Ezabata now and tell him everything you have just said.
Wait. Listen, the reason why I will not kill you here and right now is because you will be useful to me when I ascend the throne of Urago Kingdom. But if you open your mouth, I repeat, if you open your mouth to say anything to anyone, I will not hesitate to kill you and your only son, and I will never make any mistake about it.
Move. See me report.
I was afraid of losing my life, that of my son. So I kept everything to myself. I am sorry. I have no hand. This man here.
Oh no.
Igwe.
You are aware of this kind of heinous crime and you kept it far from my reach.
Yes, Igwe. This man you are seeing here is evil. When he said he will kill, he will definitely kill.
Igwe, this evil man here approached me because he heard that I'm a powerful man of God. He hired me to kill you, not knowing that I have my own mission as well. I'm here to avenge my mother's death and what they did to my late father. They lied against my late mom. They are the reason she was banished for no just cause. He killed my late father, who happens to be the king. You are evil. In Azonwoka, Igwe, I was angry with you because I thought you were part of the arrangement.
Not like that for this place. Your mother here. What I want to do now? What I want to do now, okay? You better make I run. Before I run, make I go first of all. Inform Sabinus. Make you know be like that.
I was seeking for vengeance. I'm not a man of God.
No, I knew it.
And these are my boys. They are not mad. They were just pretending all this while.
Have mercy, please. Sabinus, please.
Don't go.
Because I wanted the throne.
Igwe, like I said, my boys are not mad. They work for me. They are professional armed robbers. They have been the one terrorizing this village all the time.
Hey! Forgive me, Sabinus, because whatever Ono said here is true. I was hungry for power. I wanted the throne by all means. It's the hard work of Satan, people. Please, I am sorry. Have mercy, people.
Silence! I never knew you were an evil man. You kept pretending all this while.
Igwe, I'm sorry. The way everything played out. I was only seeking revenge for what they did to my late mom and dad.
Them talk say you don't die.
My friend, what is it?
Kelepe,
Police.
For where?
They don't put the palace. They can plenty guns.
Did you call the police?
I can tell you.
They go back.
Officers, that is the imposter. Obiora, I know him. Yes. Are you serious? He and his friends once robbed me some years ago.
Are you sure of what you're saying?
Yes, I'm very sure. Officers, what are you waiting for? Please do your job. Arrest these hoodlums, please.
You all are under arrest. You have every right to remain silent for whatever I say or do will be used against you in the court of law.
An amigo arrest. An amigo arrest.
Amigo arrest.
Don't just arrest me. Can't you see what I'm wearing?
Officers, do your job, please.
I say move!
You wear now?
Move!
This is it. You wear now?
Excuse me. Hello, officer, excuse me. Take this man along. He's the masterminder of the assassination of our former king. Take him along.
And one more person too. This idiot here is an accomplice. Arrest
Since
him.
I've been told.
No,
Where is stop.
I will make your name. Why will you forgive Upaka? After everything Upaka did to us.
Since I've been forgiven.
Not by me, not by me. You are not forgiven.
Go and send no more.
Sabinus, Onyamuma Jehovah, Sabinus, Onyamuma Jehovah, Prophet, Onebamuma, Jehovah, Onyamuma Sabinus, Burubata, Onyamuma Jehovah, Yepusia, Shelly, Dosset, Holy, Dosset, Onyamuma Pusigo, Pusia, Onyamuma Jehovah.